Okay, so this is going to be a brief video on how to launch Blackboard Collaborate without using the Collaborate launcher, as there have been a number of issues with it. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is come down and click our Start button, and we are going to want to do a search for Java, so J-A-V-A. Okay, and it should come up with an option somewhere in here that says Configure Java. Now keep in mind this is using Windows 10. If you're still on Windows 7, this may be a little bit different, but the search should still work. So we're going to click on Configure Java. Okay, it's going to bring up this control panel, and we are going to come and we are going to click on the Update tab. And then we want to come and click down at the bottom where it says Update Now. Obviously, I have the newest Java platform on there because I have already worked through this, but it should give you a download of the other one. So go ahead and download and walk through the install. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It'll ask you if you want to uninstall any of the old versions. That is perfectly fine. Just make sure that you've got the Java, I forget what they're calling it, 1.8 or something along those lines is the newest one. But the system will let you know exactly what you need to do. Then what we're going to do is in our file manager, we're going to come and go into our downloads, which, as you can see, I've got a nice big mess here, but that's besides the point. We'll choose this. Then you want to right-click on there and go to Properties. It's going to bring up this dialog box. Now on yours, this is going to show with the little Blackboard icon on there, and that it'll say Blackboard Collaborate Launcher. What we want to do is we want to hit Change, and it's going to come up with this one. We're going to hit More Apps, scroll down to the bottom, look for another app on the PC. It'll open up this dialog box, and what we want to do is we want to go back to Windows. So if you come and click on that, it'll take you back in where it says Program Files x86. We're going to double click on that to open it. And then we're going to come down and we're going to find Java and double click on that. Now notice it might have a few versions on here. We want the one that ends in 121. So we're going to double click the binary or BIN, double click on there, and then it's going to give us a bunch of different options for applications. We want to select the one that says Java WS. If you hover over it, it'll say Java Web Start Launcher. That's the one that you want to select. You're going to select that, hit Open. Then you're going to hit Apply, and then you're going to hit OK. And then we'll go back to our browser and open up the Blackboard. So I'm going to go into My Room. You notice it has the link here. Okay, it's going to pop up with this Java instead of the Blackboard launcher, and then jump right into downloading and opening the session. It's going to ask you, it's going to give you a security verification, which is fine. Just go ahead and hit Run. It will go past it and load you straight into Blackboard. And once that loads up, you should be in good shape to get things to work. So there it is in just less than 5 minutes. Now keep in mind that the update for Java may take you a few more minutes than it did on this video. But if you have questions or need help, let me know.